Hi everybody, today I've got a flip through of the new Core Catalogue. Now I'm just going to pop it to music because there is so much to go through. Alright, so this is the front cover. Oh, I think that was my shopping list. I can point out some new things. So we've got Love of Colour Volume 2, that's new. And we also have a new Make It From Your Heart Volume 5. And what else is new in these catalogues is that we actually have some paper collections that are going to be available for 12 months. So this one is called Lovely, and we also have Party Time. And this is, we've got silver foil and gold foil. This one, I really want this one. It's called Lovely Borders. And all those dog lovers and cat lovers out here, we've got some stamps for those. Got some more garden gnomes, which I'm looking forward to getting myself. These ones here make bows, so if you have a look. And this one has tab doors. And some more thin cuts. This one here is a waterfall thin cut. It makes things like this. So anybody that likes to make shaper cards, we've actually got heart shaped and stars now, as well as the circles. Here are some new specialty papers. So we've got some more glitter paper up here. This is holographic paper, and we've got ore and pearl and foil paper. Now we've also got, which is new, is some deep blend markers. So there's a whole new set. So this was from last year. Now we've got some new ones to collect. Oh, and some metallic markers, I guess they are. Yep. Alright, and then we've also, these are new. And I want to introduce you to the colour of the year, which is called Bluebell. Okay, so that is the walkthrough of the new Core Catalogue. If you're interested in getting a free one, you just need to pop on my website, make an order, and you can add one for free, and then you can have it in your hot little hands. I'm going to end the video here. Don't forget to add a little bit of sparkle to your day. Bye.